Everybody loves a soothing massage, even babies. A gentle rub down not only feels good to newborns, it does their little bodies good too. Stimulating your baby's sense of touch, the most developed of all 5 senses at birth, can stimulate the circulatory, respiratory, and digestive systems, help strengthen the immune system, improve sleep patterns, ease tummy troubles, and even decrease stress hormones, helping calm baby when he's fussy. What's more, like cuddling or baby wearing, massage boosts bonding between you and your baby. Plus, it's relaxing to you too, helping you find your new parent zen. Ready to apply some hands-on magic? First, choose the right time when you're not in a hurry or likely to be interrupted. Be sure baby is in the right state of mind too. Say after a bath when she's already starting to relax. If bath time isn't a relaxing time for your little bundle, try a rub down right before playtime. Massage may help her focus on the fun. Don't schedule a massage right before mealtime since she won't enjoy a belly rub on an empty belly or right after a meal. Next, set a relaxing scene. Pick a spot that's comfy and warm, at least 75 degrees. Dim the lights and add soft music. Keep your voice soft and soothing too. Sit down on a blanket or mat on the floor or on the bed and place your baby on your lap or between your open legs. While massage oil isn't needed for a baby rub down, adding a little lubrication helps your hands glide more easily. Plus, it's a chance to moisturize that sweet skin of his. Reach for calming lavender and chamomile scented lotions, natural baby massage oil, or coconut or safflower oil. But use only a dab since lubed up babies are slippery babies. Stay away from pore clogging baby oil or mineral oil and skip essential oils. Warm the oil or lotion between your hands before you start rubbing it on. You want your baby chill, not chilled. Now let's talk technique. Most babies prefer a gentle touch, but too light a touch gets ticklish, so experiment to find that sweet spot. Take your cues from your baby. He'll let you know when he's enjoying the rub down and when he doesn't like a certain touch, either by turning away, crying, or wriggling uncomfortably. Start at the top, placing your hands on the sides of your baby's head and stroking her face. Make tiny circles on baby's head with your fingers, or you can smooth baby's forehead by gently pressing both hands from the center out towards the temples. Moving down, stroke baby's chest from the center out to the sides. Using a circular motion, rub his tummy from top to bottom with the outer edge of your hand. Gently roll baby's arms and legs between your hands, or use deeper strokes to melt those little limbs, rubbing from the top to the bottom. Don't forget to open those curled up hands and massage those little fingers. And when you get down to the feet, massage them too, uncurling and stroking baby's toes. Finally, it's time for baby's back. Turn him onto his belly, or your lap if he's not a tummy time fan, and stroke his back from side to side, then up and down. When applying your special touch, keep this tip in mind. Stroking away from the heart, say from the shoulder to wrist, is relaxing for your little one and better suited for a pre-sleep massage. Stroking toward the heart, from wrist to shoulder for instance, is more stimulating and best for when your baby will be awake and active. And remember, you don't have to give a full body massage every time. Even a short foot, hand, or back massage will rub baby the right way and make you both feel better, body and soul. Here's to relaxing baby massaging.